so to that incident, I feel like it brought us closer sebab she has no choice lah to be in one room with me. Dia kena tengok I solat. Dia kena tengok cara I hidup. Dia kena lah solat. Tak boleh lah tiap-tiap kali I kena lari pergi cari surau kan. Sebab I need to be there when the nurse and the doctor comes. And then I think because of that incident kan, I feel like my mom changed a lot towards me. My mom actually baik. My mom dia baik lah. My mom dia sayang lah kita semua, you know. Tapi dia just garang lah. Sebab kita tak ada ayah kan. Dia lah bapa, dia lah ibu, you know. So dia start to lembut, you know, after that incident. Maybe she sees how I'm a different person now after being a Muslim. And then I pun ada selit-selit sikit lah. I tak adalah cakap masuk Islam. Tak adalah. I tak ada cakap macam tu. Because I know if I say that, gaduh.